Candidates, myself DR Sonone, Defense Career Academy Aurangabad. I hope you have seen my previous video. In that I have completed some important concepts which are very important in terms of JEE, NEET, CET and other competitive examination. So today we are going to see the questions which were asked in the examination related to that concepts, right? So let's start today's session. The question number 1 from units and measurement. Three physical quantities x, y and z have units of gram centimeter square second to the power minus 5, gram second to the power minus 1 and centimeter second to the power minus 2 respectively. These are the value of x, y and z, units of them, right? So they ask the relation between x, y and z is, four options are given: x equal to yz square, b equals to xy square z and y square equal to xz, d that is z equal to x square y. So while solving this question, we must have to put the values of x, y and z in the equation, which may be the equation satisfied the relation, that will be the answer. So if I take the relation that is x equals to y z square, so I can write here value of x given, that is x की value unit of x is gram centimeter square second to the power minus 5, then y is nothing but the gram centimeter to the power minus 1 and value of z here is centimeter to the power centimeter second to the power minus 2. If I put this y and z in this equation, if that satisfied the unit of x, then that answer will be option A. So I just solve that yz square. It means what? Y is what? Gram centimeter to the power minus 1 and here z square, and value of z is what? Value of z is centimeter second to the power minus 2. So here I can write gram centimeter to the power minus 1 centimeter square, then we can write here second to the power minus 4 while multiplying these powers. So I will get gram here centimeter square second to the power minus 1 and second to the power minus 4, that is second to the power minus 5, and exactly this unit is of unit of x. It means we say that the option A is correct. Very simple question asked in NEET examination. So this is answer for question number 1. So let's see this question number 2. T time and distance x. The force F in given, F equal to A sine, equation is given, F equal to A sine C into T, B cos dx. When this type of question are given, we must know the rules of dimensional analysis. The trigonometric function, algebraic function, exponential function does not have any dimension. It means ये sin थीटा, cos थीटा, जितना भी trigonometric function है उनको dimension नहीं होगा. But here capital A and capital B are the quantities, and we know that according to dimensional homogeneity, the right hand side dimension is equals to left hand side dimension, right? So there must be a dimension of A and dimension of B is rightly equals to dimension of F, means dimension of force is same as dimension of A and as dimension of B. So we can write here as F having dimension m1 L1 t to the power minus 2. Likewise A should have same dimension, so that this equation is satisfied mathematically. A m1 L1 t to the power minus 2 and B must have same dimension, so that equation is correct, that is m1 L1 t to the power minus 2, right? Likewise if we take, they asked then the dimension of A by B and C by D. Here directly we can write for the dimension of A by B and for C by D. After that A by B is what? m1 L1 t to the power minus 2, again m1 L1 t to the power minus 2. This totally cancels each other. It means only there is a value m0, L0 and t0. So A by B is what? m0, L0, t0, right? After that, for solving C by D, for to calculate C by D, because here option M0, L0, T0 here is a option, but then also we can try for C by D how to calculate that. Here is C into T is given, so C into T is given, we can write it as a sin theta, theta equals to 1, then we can write T equals to 1 by C, और we can write his opposite C equals to 1 by T भी लिख सकते हैं हम लोग. It means this C having the dimension as T to the power minus 1, right? Again, T is a time here and C is 1 by T. It means dimension of C is T to the power minus 1. Again dx, if we compare dx equals to 1, if we consider theta equals to 1, then here D is nothing but D is 1 by x then, right? X is a distance, so we can write it as a D equals to dimension of D is, then x is in meter, then we can write it as a L to the power minus 1, right? So if we take the ratio of C by D, we will get L to the power minus 1, T to the power minus 1 upon L to the power minus 1 here. So we can write it as a M0 L to the power plus 1 and T to the power minus 1. So this is value of C by D. We check the option. A by B is what? M0 L0 T0 is in the first option, then M0 L1 T to the power minus 1. This option satisfied the conditions, means answer is option A, right? Likewise, third question is given, find error in equation, that equation is Z equal to A cube B square upon root of C into D, and errors are given in ABCD, 1%, 2%, 3%, 4%. Then we must have to find out error in Z. We know that according to dimension analysis, when sum and difference are there, then quotient are given, then multiplication are there in equation, that time we find the error, that absolute error, del Z upon Z, equation becomes A cube, the power is given, power will be taken here before the error, del A upon A, plus we can write here 2 del B upon B, plus root means power half, so we can write here half power is here, then C plus half del C by C and then half del D by D. These values are given. Error in ABCD means value of A by A is given, this is given, and this is given, and this is given. So putting the value of error, we will get 3 into error in A is given 1% plus 2 into error in B is given 2, right? Then error in C is given, that is 3, so 1 by 2 into 3 plus 1 by 2, error in D is given, that is 4. So value will be 3 plus 4 is 7, 7 plus 1.5 is 8.5, 8.5 plus 2 is, that is, we can calculate here as a 3 plus 4, 1.5 plus 2. The value becomes, that is equals to, the option is here actually 3 plus 4, that is 7, 8.5 plus, it means 10.5. This option is actually 10.5 is given. So 10.5 will be the percentage. So this will be the answer in your question, right? So these are the questions which are depend on the concept which we have taken in previous lecture. I hope you are having some confusion that will be overcome by seeing this question. So today is enough for this session. Thank you. Have a nice day.